So guys, after yesterday night's heavy snowfall, this is the situation of my car and I am forced to clean it. I have no other option. If you live in Canada, you have to be familiar with these things, and this is the brush I have. I'm just gonna do like this. People generally do only their windows so that they can see through while driving, but I prefer doing the whole car because you don't want it to be a situation where, like, when you drive and snow keeps on falling from your car, it could be inconvenient for other drivers on the road also. So I don't want myself to be in that situation, or at least responsible for such a situation. So I'm gonna clean the whole car. So when you come to Canada, be ready to do such odd task also. Oh my god, it's too bad. So thanks for watching guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Please subscribe to my channel.